So guys, now we're going to see how to upload a file. Okay, so first of all, let me copy this driver and paste it over here, and I'll change the link with this particular link. Okay, and let me show you a demo how it will work. So you can see this is the website. Let me close this. Yeah, perfect. So if you click on this choose file, it actually does open your file explorer. Okay, and then you have to choose the image which you are going to upload. For example, this Halder-Davidson.jpg, and after that you have to click open, and it is going to upload that particular image, right? And then we are going to click on this particular link, and it will open that image in a full screen. Okay, so we will do this automatically using Selenium. So first of all, obviously we need to find the ID or XPath of this choose file button. So let's go inspect and move the cursor over here, and you can see this is an input type file, right? Okay, so I'm going to write over here choose underscore file, and that will be driver dot find element by XPath, and in the parenthesis I am going to paste the XPath of this particular input tag. Just copy the XPath, and yeah, that's it. Perfect. But before that, I'm going to actually maximize the screen also. So I'm going to copy the text from here and paste it over here. Okay. So after finding that particular element, that means this button, we are going to send the path of that particular image which we are going to upload, right? So I'll just copy the path of it. This is this path. Okay, copy the path, and uh, over here I'm going to write choose file dot send underscore keys, and here I'm going to paste that particular path. Okay, and always remember, instead of writing backward slash, we have to write forward slash. Okay, so change the backward slashes with forward slash. Okay, perfect. And after that, we are obviously going to wait for some seconds so that the file can upload properly. So we're going to write sleep for 7 seconds. Okay, because it will take some time, so I'm choosing 10 seconds. That will be in more safer side, right? So after that, we are going to click on that particular section, right? So let me upload that photo again. So you can see it uploaded. Now we are going to click on this particular button, right? So I'm going to choose this button. Okay, so before that, I'll just write over here full size image. Okay, full size image, and that will be driver dot find element by XPath, and here I'm going to paste the XPath of that particular section. So I'll just copy the XPath and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. So it will actually open the image in a full screen, right? So let's see that. Yeah, you can see it open the image in a full screen. Okay, so let's run this cell so that we can see whether it is working or not. You can see it open this automated browser. Now it is loading that particular page. Now it should maximize the screen. Yeah, and then it is going to upload that image. Okay, it is showing some kind of failure because of the chunk at offset 0, and it is also asking, do you want to retry, right? So let me run it again and see what's going on. Close it this one and run it again. Yeah, it opened. Now it is going to be full screen. Yeah, perfect. Now it should choose the image. Well, okay, I got it. Why this is showing an error? Because we didn't choose the file path exactly, because we only choose the folder. We have to choose the file path also, right? So after the folder path, that means this one, this is the folder path. And after that path, we have to write the file name as well so that we can choose the file, right? So yeah, let's go over here and make a forward slash, then paste that file name, and then .jpg. I think it's in JPG format. Let's check that again. Yeah, you can see it's in JPG format, right? So let's go close this automated browser and let's rerun this cell again. You can see it opened the Chrome browser. Now it is going to be full screen. Perfect. Now it is going to upload that file. Yeah, you can see now it is uploading that file, and it will wait for 10 seconds so that the file can upload properly. and then it should click on that particular button, right? Okay, wait. Yeah, you can see it uploaded properly. Now it should click on that particular button. Okay, let's see. It's not running actually. So we have an error. Unable to locate this path. Okay, so let's see why this is showing this error. Go to inspect and check the path. This one. Copy the X path. Paste it over here. Okay, so this is the same path as before, but why it is not finding that particular element? So guys, it is not able to find that particular element. That is because after loading the image properly, then it shows this kind of section. Okay, since the image size is too long, we have to increase the wait limit. Okay, so instead of waiting for 10 seconds, I'll wait for 30 seconds now. And again, okay, after that we are going to click on that file as well, right? So if ll, just press tab and then write dot click, because we want to click on that file as well after finding that particular element, right? So let's close this browser and let's run this cell again. I think now it will work fine. Yeah, you can see it open the browser, load that web page. Now it maximizes the screen. It is going to upload the file and then it is going to wait for 30 seconds now. So that's a huge time, and I think it should work. So you can see it uploaded properly. Now it should click on the download harley-davidson.jpg so that the image can open properly. Okay, again I error. That is because we have to click on it. I name it wrong. Okay, man, there is so many error. Okay, now it should work properly. I guess this is the final time. Yeah, perfect. Now it is uploading the file. Yeah, now it uploaded the file properly. Now it should click on the image. You can see it clicked on that image and the image is now on the full screen, right? So it worked properly. So in this way you can upload a file by specifying the file path. Okay, that's it.